Hello guys, welcome back to Homey Crafty. I got really good feedback on my Instagram and you guys have been asking me to do more of the drawing tutorials, so I decided to make a series of easy doodles and illustrations to help you guys on this. So if you love drawing, then keep watching. In this video, I will use two pens, which are the Micron 01 and Micron 003. The 01 pen is perfect for drawing the outlines because it creates thicker lines. The 003 pen is for the details, which you might need a little thinner lines. For the cards, I use Canson 300 GSM paper and I cut them in smaller pieces. Let's start with the first card. One of the most important things when you start to draw is to understand that you don't need every line to be perfect. For the hair, you can see that I do not focus on creating the perfect lines. Instead, I draw the main outlines of the hair direction with the 01 pen and then I fill in later with my 003 pen. I also don't focus on the details such as the fingers, the outfit, and the shoes, as I want to keep it as simple as it could be. Another tip for making unique cards is to be creative with the message that you want to deliver to the recipient. It should be short and sweet and can be a funny quote. Remember, less is more. You can practice multiple times until you find your own style and stick to it. It's great to have your own characters to represent yourself, so every time you send a card to someone, he or she will know immediately that it is you. So I'm done with all the 3 cards. Let's take a look once again. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss anything. Feel free to like, share if you like, and leave a comment down below what content you want to see next. Thank you and see you next time.